Okay, hello and welcome back. This is the last of the CCTV lens videos, at least for now, because the 35mm and 50mm are not here yet, because the seller's still stocking them. So yeah, this is 25mm Avenir lens from Avenir, and I shall be opening this thing right now. This thing comes with some bubble wrap and also some caps, front and back. This thing is quite different from the other ones because this thing is wait. Okay, so the front element is quite big, but the rear element is quite small. This thing covers like Micro Four Thirds, I think, because on my Leica T that thing covered nearly the whole APS-C sensor. So I think that'll cover Micro Four Thirds, this guy, yeah. This thing, let's see how this thing works. It doesn't have a focus stop, I think. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. I think you could probably put a screw on the side to actually make that thing a focus stop, yeah, but yeah, so no focus stop, not good. Let's see how far this thing can turn every like 360 degrees, but let's just see that later. So for now, I wanna write some stuff. So Avenir, here 25mm CCTV lens, bracket no, focus stop. Total movement of focus, let's see how far, yeah. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 20, wait, what the fuck, man? 2, 1, 2, 3, 3.5, no? 3.3, 23.3, and let's see how far it's can go out. Okay. Still in, yeah. So this is 27.9. 4.6 mil. Focus through is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 360. 1800 degrees. So this is pretty much the same heat quite as these two, yeah. So I think I'm still gonna be using the 12mm lens. Size itself, let's see. The body here is 1.5 mil. So this, I mean 1.5 cm, yeah. So it's 15 mil. Oh yeah, I mean 1.05 mil. I mean 10.5 mil. 10.5 mil, and this guy is, let's see, this guy is 4 mil, so it's the same height as the 8mm lens. 4 mil for the C mount thread, and then let us open this thing up to measure the lens block thing here. So this threads, okay, the threads are 6.5, 65, I mean 6.5 mil. this guy is 6.5 mil also. I mean 6.5 mil also, and this front bit is 15 mil. Okay, screw this guy back in and find a slot for the screw to fit fully in, yeah, because that'll be able to lock the thing down. If it's even possible to see it, let's see if I can see it. Fuck. Seems like it's aligned. Let's see if this actually is aligned. Fuck man, this thing suddenly doesn't want to go in. What the hell? Okay. Whoa, fuck. Okay. That should be in a hole. And this is locked in. Nice. So now let us try and open the front up. Okay. Then you have the first optic coming out. Then you have the little spacer over there. Then you have this thing and this washer. Okay. First you have a lock ring. You have an optic. Then you have another optic which is gonna be like this. Number 2. Then you have a small spacer like this. Then you have this optic which is gonna be okay. Okay, the front openings, let's see how big. $15mm, I think. Let's see. 15mm. Then the rear opening is quite small, but you can actually expand that rear opening. But stock it is 6mm. Okay, and then we are done. I'm just gonna put all of these optics into like plastic bags because I'm not gonna use them at all. These are pretty much rubbish. So here you go. This is the last teardown for the series. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you liked it and have a nice day. Goodbye. Go pause, screenshot, and yeah, thank you.